Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to search in Meesho using a product code. If you want to search by product code on Meesho, then it will help you find a specific product quickly, avoid scrolling through hundreds of listings and confirm the exact item you want to order or share. So in order to search for products on Meesho using a product code, first of all, open the Meesho app on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in from the home page, you will see a search icon at the top that says search by keyword or product ID. Tap on it and then in the search bar, type in the product code exactly as provided by the seller or the listing. Make sure there are no extra spaces on the product code. After doing so, make a search for it and Meesho will display the product that matches the code if it is available. Now tap on the product to see the details, images, prices, and variants. Now you can click on the Buy Now button at the bottom right corner to start purchasing the product, or if you want to add the product to the cart, tap on Add to Cart. So that was how you can easily and successfully search for products on Meesho using a product code. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.